In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. So to change your username, firstly sign in your account with Instagram. Then click on profile icon. In here, click on settings. So here you will find option to change username. In most cases, you will be able to change your username back to for another 40 days. So you try. So here you will find option to change your username. So type your username. Then scroll down and click on submit. So some case you will see this username is not available. So try another one. Now I'm trying to make this username. Click on submit. Still this username is not available. Click on submit. That's it. Now this username is available and we change this username on Instagram. So that's it, friends. By this quick and easy method we can know how to change username on Instagram account. Thanks for watching.